Hey guys, Milesy here. Welcome back to the channel, and I create Steam Deck content here on this channel. If that's your thing, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, you can stay up to date with all of the content that I post here. And today, I'm unboxing a new case that I bought off Amazon, and this is from JSAUX. I think that's how you pronounce it, but here's the website right here. And it's a very standard kind of case. This is the PCO 102 protective shell for the Steam Deck. Dimensions are about 300 by 122 by 41 millimeters, and it's approximately 120 grams. And its material says here TPU plus PC. So we're going to check this one out, and I will let you know what I think. Let's go. So here's my Steam Deck, obviously, and here is the box. So I will try my best to make this half decent, but you know, I'm not one for unboxing on this channel, so this is kind of new. Okay, so immediately we have a user guide, and it comes in this protective plastic wrapping. I will list this in the description as well on Amazon if you guys want to pick this up yourselves, but it is a very basic protective shell, and apologies for the noises. Okay, yeah, it's a very basic protective shell, right? I didn't want anything fancy. I did go for one with a kickstand, so we will check that out. And yeah, just as I expected, a very basic stand. So let's slip this on the Steam Deck and see how it feels. One of my big concerns was affecting how the Steam Deck feels and plays, because it is probably one of the most comfortable handhelds I've ever used. So let's do it. Let's go. I assume it just slips in. Let's see. It does kind of mold around it a little bit, so it should be an easy, quick fit. Yeah, we're nearly there already, so let's see if we can just slip that in. Yeah. Okay, it's in. There we go. So, immediate thoughts. I really like that. Really nice. It doesn't really impact much at all. Everything lines up quite nicely here, so you still got access to your volume buttons and your headphone input, your charger. Power button is a little bit of a reach, but it's not terrible. Like, I've got fat fingers, so you know, it does take a little bit of a push, but it's not terrible. Also, the fans on the back aren't covered or anything like that. You don't have to worry about that. The back buttons are easy to reach. The SD card especially is working okay. And none of the screen is covered, so that's good. The triggers are working fine. Yeah, no, this is all right. Now let's have a look at the kickstand, because at work I like to have it like this and use a controller. So, you know, I'd be in this kind of situation where I'd have it on a table and I'd play it with this, just purely because sometimes it's nice to kick back and use a controller. And yeah, this does its job. This really does its job well. No complaints here. Pretty solid shell, and it does say it has protection, like shock absorption. So, you know, God forbid it ever does drop, hopefully this will this wouldn't take any damage. So yeah, the ports on the, you know, the fans on top, the fans on the back, they're all with it. They're not hidden. So yeah, let's keep going with this and see how it fares. As I said, the link to this product is in the description below. This isn't a paid sponsorship or anything like that. This was literally out of my own free will and my own bank balance. So if you guys want to check this out after that review, let me know how you got on. Happy decking.